Good morning, Jai Swaminarayan students. Today we are start with unit number 3, web application tool scanning for web vulnerabilities. It's a part of cybersecurity, and web application scanning tools is most important for vulnerability assessment. Yesterday we are learned so many topics. The first is web application security. The learn that information security forget. It is just a revision. Topics we are covered yesterday are web application security landscape, common web application security mistakes, web application attack methodologies, is a part of information and discovery, input manipulations, parameter tampering, authentication, authorization, and system misconfiguration. Then first question is what is the web application? So we are seeing the web service is a software application that is accessible using a web browser or HTTP user agents. Then simply web application security, the securing of web applications. All about security. So the firewall without a fire suit is allow web traffic because it seems harmless. Firewall is working on basic policies are then mainly used for authorization, authentication, and application assist. SSL make me more secure. How we are seeing here the firewall, web server, and web application CGIs are internally tied with the security system. Common web application security mistakes. Trusting client-side data. Do not trust client-side data. You need to identify all input parameters that trust client-side data. Unescaped special characters. Here you are seeing the all kind of characters for unescaped special character without input string. HTML character filters. We are seeing the basic few operators. It's more mistakes are authentication mechanism using technologies such as JavaScript, ActiveX, then lack of re-authentication to use before issuing new password or performing critical tasks, hosting of uncontrolled data on protected domains. Information and discovery, we are covered the spidering, site crawling, identifiable characteristics, error and response code, file application enumerations, and network reconciliation. Spidering site crowding means we are covered the sitemap, service map, documentations. Sitemap is got the hidden services, CGI and forms, email address. Tools we are used mostly these tools you need to practice by using wget gnu.org/software/wget/wget.html. Identifiable characteristics are command lines, URL extensions, meta tags, cookies, and client-side scripting language. This is revision. Error and response codes. First is HTTP response headers and error messages. File application enumerations, mainly referred to as a force browsing or CGI scanning, is a directory browsing and index listing. The tool used for application enumeration is the Wizard, is the wildtrip.net/rfp/p/doc.asp. You need to try once. Network reconnaissance, who.is, ARIN, PortScan, TruthFloat, PingScan, NSLookup, DNS John transfer, mostly used. Input manipulation parameter tampering is the tweeting bits, the cross-site scripting, filter bypass manipulation, OS commands, meta characters, path and directory traversal, hidden form field manipulation, and HTTP headers. Cross-site scripting, the bad name given to a dangerous security issue. Attack target the user of system rather than the system itself. Outside, client side, language executing within the user web environment with the same level of privilege as the hosted site. Client side scripting language, we are seeing yesterday, HTML, JavaScript, Java, VBScript, Flash, ActiveX, XML, and CSS. Accessing the DOM and outside the DOM, document object model, we are also discussed a lot of things in DOM and with example. CSS Stanger, the remote launchpad, successfully CSS a user via protected domain is utilize a client-side utility, JavaScript, ActiveX, and VBScript, etc. Exploit a browser hole to download a Trojan test virus. User is unknowingly infected, compromised within a single HTTP page load. A dangerous HTML is all bad, is a applet, body, embed, frame, frameset, HTML, iframe, image, layer, meta, object, script, and style. A few attribute dangers are the style, source, href, and type. Filter bypass. The JavaScript is a cockroach. There are all kind of input filters web application implement to sanitize data. Sanitize means you need to apply the filter and security scanning tools on particular data or string. This section will demonstrate many non-ways input filter can be bypassed to perform malicious functions such as cross-scripting, browser hijacking, cookies theft, and others. Client-side scripting CSS attacks require the execution of either JavaScript, Java, VBScript, ActiveX, Flash, and some others. We will be assuming that this web application accepts HTML at least in the limited sense. Testing the filters that submit all the raw HTML tag you can find and then view the output results. Combine HTML with tag attributes such as src, that means source, style, href, and on XXX JavaScript event handler. This will show what HTML is allowed, what the changes were, and possible what dangerous HTML can be exploited. Script tag descriptions are: the script tag is the simplest form of inputting JavaScript. Just exploit the script, alert, the bracket JavaScript executed, and then close. Solution: replace all script tag. You need to replace all script tag. Sourcing JavaScript protocol is execute the expression entered after the colon. Netscape twisted. Exploit, you are seeing the syntax, the solution. Replace JavaScript string in all source and reference attributes in HTML tag with another string. Here you look example. The further an HTML tag with source attribute will execute the script on page load or on link activation. As a further protocol pattern, matching keywords, LiveScript, and Mocha must be also replaced further, hold the same possibilities, like Netscape code names. Sourcing JavaScript protocol w/HTML entities. Here you see the derivative of the previous decimal HTML entities within this string can cause filter bypass. Here we see in the syntax, the example here, hex instead of decimal HTML entities will also bypass input filters and execute, as well as placing multiple zeros in front. Here we are seeing the image source equal to Java source and has XOA, RIPT as alert and JavaScript executed. This is in under double quoted. So we here display the message with image source as well as placing multiple zero in front. The solutions is a filter this entity within the string, then do a further pattern matching. And purely the descriptions are obscure Netscape JavaScript execution line, exact syntax is needed to execute, is exploit the image source and alter JavaScript executed. The solution is here. You can see the something similar will notify the problem. Here we are used under double quote XX alert under bracket JavaScript executed, then bracket close. Style tag conversion is used to turn a style tag into JavaScript expressions. Here we see the exploit and the particular solutions. Replace the JavaScript string with Java underscore script and all should be fine. Here we seen also import dangerous CSS with bug with few vulnerabilities. Here we seen at import and get URL path of HTTP server /vary underscore bat.css. Exploit here for the import JavaScript expression. Thus a style tag is we can give here the name of CSS with using the type tag. Is import the URL same as above and I hope style. Solutions again filter and replace the @import and the JavaScript just to be safe. This code is all about use for secure access of your CSS and HTML codes. When we refer some link, straddling bits is mainly cover OS commands, meta characters, and paths, this directory traversal. The power of the semicolon is also important. The piping input to the command line, the OS commands mainly seen in the normal fwo.com and alter with this link. The cell pipes and redirect can also be used. Meta characters for is a normal fwo.com. Use this URL and alter. You see the main examples how to use the meta characters. Path directory traversal, the normal and alter. We have seen the both compare these two URL in the normal and alter form. The morbid's hidden form field manipulations and HTTP headers. Authentication and authorization, handling the cookie jar. Cookies are restricted to domains. Uncontrolled data on a restricted domain can access the cookie data. JavaScript expression, document.cookie, window.open, document.image.source, the hidden form submit. Here we see the URL and cookie data is passed to CGI or a GET request to a off-domain host. System misconfiguration is a page, pages and more pages like plugins and a required file when we need to upgrade your application version. The vendor page and default account to check the web server permission by directory browsing, software version for discovery, non-default account in commercial platforms, bug track, Asynum's FTP open on web server. It's all about system misconfiguration. Introducing OWASP, that's called Open Web Application Security Project, is an online community that produces freely available articles, methodologies, documentations, tool, and technology in the field of web application security. The Mark Curphey started OWASP on September 9, 2001. Jeff Williams served as the volunteer chair of OWASP from late 2003 until September 2011. As of 2015, Matt Conda chaired the board. The OWASP, Open Web Application Security Project, the foundation is a non-profit organization established in 2004. Is a provider infrastructure and projects since 2011 and registered as a non-profit organization in Belgium under the name of OWSP Europe. There are so many publications also. Mainly is based on the idea from participant of the mobile code mailing list at the securityfocus.com. We can join the mailing list by visiting Security Focus. The OWASP Development Guide provide a practical guidance including J2EE, ASP.NET, PHP code samples. The development guide covers an extensive array of application level security issues, from SQL injection to modern concerns such as phishing, credit card handling, session fixation, cross-site request fogging, compliances, and privacy issues. The testing guide include the best practice, the penetration testing framework that user can implement in their own organization, and low-level penetration testing guide that describe technique for testing most common web application and web service security issue. Version 4 was published in September 2014 with input from 60 individuals. Here we also use for code review guide is released version 2.0. This project provides a proactive approach to incident response planning. The intended audience of this document includes business owners to security engineers, developers, that means you guys, auditors, program managers, and law enforcement and legal counsels. OWASP JEP project is the JAD Attack Proxy. JADAP is an easy to use integrated penetration testing tool for finding vulnerabilities in web applications. It is designed to be used by people with a wide range of security experience, including developers and functional testers who are new to penetration testing. The next project also this is for information only, WebGuard, a deliverably insecure web application created by OWASP as a guide for secure programming practices. Once downloaded, the application comes with tutorial and a set of different lessons that instruct students how to exploit vulnerabilities with the intention of teaching them how to write code securely. This is most important for developers. The next project for app security pipeline is application security rugged DevOps pipeline project is a place to find information needed to increase the speed and automation of an application security program. App security pipeline take the principle of DevOps and learn and apply that to an application security program. Then next project is automated thread to web application. This is all about OWASP, the basic knowledge and the brief history with projects, which is used for secure coding. Next is a automated thread to web applications. This automated thread to web application projects aim to provide definitive information and other resources for architects, developers, testers, and others to help defend against automated threats such as credential stuffing is also important. The project outline on top 20 automated threads as defined by OWASP, that's called, I repeat, Open Web Application Security Projects. We are seeing following projects are that first is automated threads, app security pipeline, JEP project, then XML security gateway evolution criteria project, application security verification standards is a high level application security verifications with a code review guide, testing guides, development guides, and software assurance maturity model, which is also committed to building a usable framework to help organization. This is all top 10 projects under Defense Information System Agency, the United States Federal Trade Commission, and many more. Thank you. But here we have some more contents regarding the vulnerability in web application using dynamic analysis with penetration testing. The number of reported web application vulnerabilities is increasing dramatically. The most of vulnerability result from improper input validations. This paper presents extension 2B. This is all about the research under vulnerabilities and part of web application security projects. Mainly we are seeing the web application second order injection, vulnerability analysis, penetration testing, dynamic analysis, and trend analysis. Here we are seeing few case studies also. A TMM, that means the 10 mode models, is used in improper input validation. This is a static analysis under PHP, Java technologies, is a dynamic and used according to the trained model is the HTTP request in untrustworthy. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.